I tried to get into the door and she backed out. Ran me over.
What leg?
Right leg, and I slammed my fucking head on the concrete. I'm busy as shit right now.
Alright, just relax, buddy.
Okay.
On the 5th of December 2024, a Saint Petersburg Police Department warrant stop escalated into 4 felony charges and a hospitalized officer. The stop's constitutional foundation rests on United States versus Hensley, 469 U.S. 221, permitting officers to stop a vehicle upon outstanding warrant confirmation, including when the driver is not the registered owner for identity verification.
One for girls, 1050.
Go ahead.
Romeo Hotel X-Ray Mike 36. Gonna be on a black Benz SUV. 1534. Investigator. How you doing, ma'am?
Hi.
You have your license and registration on you?
Did I do something wrong?
So when I ran your tag, it's showing you have a warrant. I just want to confirm whether or not that's true.
Sorry?
Showing you have a warrant.
Who has one?
You, if you're the registered owner.
No.
You're not the registered owner?
No.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you? Damn!
Sean!
Come for help!
Sean! Sean! I didn't do anything. I didn't do shit. My car is rolling. What am I under arrest for? What am I under arrest for?
Okay, White, slow it down.
Slow it down.
What am I under arrest for? I'm so scared. Please. I thought you were going to hurt me.
We're good. One day. You good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, rescue 1018.
Who are you looking for?
1534, just out.
Who are you looking for? Please tell me that. I feel scared. You're harassing me. I dropped my car off here to get to the brake shop.
Relax.
I just got scared, dude. You just ran up on me like that. I didn't even do shit.
Over here. I'll be right back with you.
You just scared the fuck out of me.
Stand up.
Can you just please move my car, sir?
Let's go.
Ma'am, can you grab my phone right there, please, and tell my husband to come get me? Who do you have a warrant for?
Man,
Good.
I walk up and I see him about to pass out.
Sit down.
There was somebody fighting. We need rescue 1018 for an officer, please. Man, we need you over here.
I'm going.
You got my shirt right there. I think it's my phone.
Is this your phone?
I can't tell if it's my phone or hers. No, I think that's her phone. Fuck.
It's gonna be hers.
Yeah. She ran me over.
She ran you over?
Yeah, I tried to get into the door and she backed out. Ran me over.
What leg?
Right leg, and I slammed my fucking head on the concrete. I'm busy as shit right now.
Alright, just relax, buddy.
I got you. End of recording.
There it is, coming reference 143A. You have rescue 1018, correct? Relax, buddy.
You got the tag on that. Thank you. Romeo Hotel X-ray.
Was it that one?
Yeah. She's got a warrant. Pulled her over. When I got got to the door, she ripped in reverse. What happened?
He got.
Alright, don't move. You good.
Both over for Warrant. When I got up, I recognized it was her. She ripped in reverse, backed up and turned the wheel, ran me over, and then took off. And I got her right here.
Is everybody in custody?
Yeah, she's the only one in the car.
Anybody else?
No, the car was empty. Because she left in reverse after she got out of the car and ended up all the way over there.
So back here.
Yeah, so no, I pulled her in. She pulled into right here.
Bueno.
Okay, we're 97 Bay Front.
97 Bay Front.
What?
Can we jump in the computer and start the go home?
Yeah, you can.
You
Here.
got track?
On video. I don't know the idea. Let me log it in for you. It's not coming with me now, though.
And also, ma'am, as far as the cuffs, I clearly see there's right here, 2 fingers right here,
Oh, wait, I need to turn my phone
and then
through there.
I'm just saying, then two fingers going here, right here. So just make sure it's documented. Cuffs were not tied on you, clearly. Okay.
I'm actually going to be taking the handcuffs and putting them in front.
All right, that's cool. Thank you. I
So it's
appreciate
going to be a lot more comfortable.
I don't see any more cuts. I know you said you were bleeding earlier because I don't see any more cuts, bleeding, or anything else.
it. Yeah, they're all internal bleeding.
Internal. Okay. Because you said you were bleeding all over my back seat.
This is the one that really hurt for.
You know what I'm saying? You said you were bleeding all over the black seat. That's why, but I don't see
again.
any.
I appreciate you.
No problem, man. Absolutely. Glad we're able to help you, man.
All right, I know you've already been searched. Is there anything to search that was necessary? Okay. And before I put you in the van, you have to go to the bathroom?
I do.
See if there's a female.
64 Fox.
I need some more.
Do we have a female officer for the West End Break, please?
Sure, sit in.
There you go, here, Cindy, available.
I don't actually make phone calls,
Are you good with me for now? Are you good with me for now? No, I'm not leaving. I'm just gonna contact complete for now.
Okay, I'm going to read you this form. It's called a notice of seizure, okay? It's made out to you, Miss Grimsley, in reference to case 2024-042614. This is to advise you that on the 5th day of December, which is today, 2024, the Saint Petersburg Police Department is seizing the above referenced property for a violation of the Florida Contraband Forfeiture Act. You are hereby notified that you are entitled by law enforcement to request an adversarial preliminary hearing to determine whether there is probable cause to believe the property was used in violation of this act. Please note that adversarial preliminary hearing is not mandatory and you need not request a hearing to later contest the action taken against the property described here within. Each claimant will be given the opportunity to appear in court before final disposition of the matter. If you desire such a hearing, you must make a request in writing by certified mail, return receipt requested to the Saint Petersburg Police Department Legal Division at the address listed below within 15 days of receiving this notice. This request must be accompanied by a copy of this notice. The seizing agency will notify you of the time, date, and place of the hearing. All right? I've selected that I have provided you a copy of the notice in person because here I am. I'm going to provide you a
What
copy.
are my charges, if you don't mind?
There's a list of them. I'll have the other officer tell you, but to...
Before I sign that, I would like to see them, please.
That's fine. You can sign if you want. If you don't, it doesn't matter either way. Okay?
I just want my charges.
Can you get Jundy?
Johnny.
Honestly, yeah, like, it just, everything happened so quick. Like, he pulled me out of the car and said I had a warrant, but I didn't get the time to, like, explain anything. I just kind of panicked. The car was still rolling, and we both got ran over. So,
Okay.
I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. She was asking, since you obviously did the Vipers, what her charges were, specifically all the individual ones.
You're fine, go ahead.
Okay. So, ma'am, we have aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. The deadly weapon is considered the vehicle that you utilize to run the officer over. Okay? This is a battery.
Okay, but
Okay?
the car was running. I mean, it was rolling by itself backwards.
I'm not here to.
Okay.
This is all court stuff.
Yeah, you
I
can
understand.
explain all that to the judge, the attorney, your attorney, whoever the case might be. I'm just, you ask the question, I'm just telling. Then you have resisting with violence. Okay? When you're resisting the arrest and you punch the officer at the same time, this is violence.
Punch?
When you were fighting him.
You're fighting.
Or turning away, you're saying?
Well, you're on top of him and you were hitting him.
I wasn't hitting him.
No, anyway,
Oh, okay. All right.
and then you have a battery.
He's telling you.
And then you have a battery on law enforcement officer. When he's striking him on the chest area and stuff, this is that consists of battery. It's illegal touching or striking another person. This is a battery. The situation, you battered an officer. Okay? So you have the resisting, the aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, and then I have the two more. Let me go, just make sure. Here for you.
What are the
Yeah, battery and law enforcement.
That's all something that you
Battery
have to
law
find out.
enforcement, the
What do you
resisting, an aggravated battery, and the warrant, which is 4 of them. You have the warrant, so there's 4 charges.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Yeah, we don't have any control over the bond, so we can't tell it. We don't. Okay. That's all jail stuff.
And I did notify, I know you work, I did call your husband again, Sean, and I just hung up with him and did notify him and to let him know that you got your cell phones and your...
My garage opener is in the vehicle. That's
Okay, I'm not just-
personal property.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you want to sign this?
No.
Okay. All right. And video.
Florida statutes, section 784.021 prohibits aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. A motor vehicle qualifies when wielded in a manner capable of causing death or great bodily harm. Under section 784.0-7, when the victim is a law enforcement officer engaged in lawful duties. The charge is reclassified from a second-degree to a first-degree felony. carrying a maximum of 30 years in Florida State Prison. The dispositive legal question is intentionality. Battery requires a voluntary act. If the vehicle rolled accidentally, the intent element fails, and the aggravated battery charge cannot survive a motion for judgment of acquittal. The officer's account is specific, reversed, turned the wheel, drove over him. He cited the body cam as capturing the moment of impact, making that footage the central exhibit in any prosecution of the lead count. 2 charges address the arrest confrontation independently of the vehicle. Section 843.01 prohibits resisting with violence. Punching an officer during a lawful arrest satisfies the offense regardless of how the vehicle moved. Battery on a law enforcement officer under Section 784.07 covers the chest area strike separately. Both are third-degree felonies carrying up to 5 years each. The vehicle seizure proceeds under Florida statutes. Section 932.701, a civil proceeding entirely independent of the criminal charges. A vehicle used as a crime's instrumentality is subject to agency forfeiture. The on-camera notice of seizure triggers a 15-day hearing request window by certified mail. Notably, the vehicle is titled to a third party who holds independent claimant standing to contest forfeiture regardless of the criminal outcome. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, evaluates force under objective reasonableness from the officer's on-scene perspective, never hindsight. All 3 Graham factors are satisfied. Offense, severity, immediate threat from the vehicle strike, and active physical resistance during arrest. The tactical concern is separate warrant stop protocol, calls for immobilizing a running vehicle before approach. A step not apparent here, and one that contributed directly to the officer's injury. Case disposition remains unknown under case number 2-024-0426, 1-4. 4 charges filed. Aggravated battery with deadly weapon reclassified to a first-degree felony under Section 784.07, maximum 30 years. Resisting with violence under Section 843.01, battery on law enforcement, and the pre-existing outstanding warrant. The lead count hinges entirely on what the body cam captures in the critical 10-second gap. The investigator receives a B-. The stop was constitutionally grounded and post-incident procedure was exemplary on-camera handcuff documentation. Restraints moved to front. Full seizure notice read on record. Husband notified. Grade reduced. For 1 tactical gap, approaching a running vehicle without a blocking unit in position created the physical exposure that caused injury. The subject receives a D4. Charges: 30-year first-degree felony exposure and physical confrontation charges that stand independently of the vehicle question. 3 takeaways. First, warrant stop protocol requires immobilizing a running vehicle before officer approach the standard that prevents exactly what occurred here. Second, the vehicle as weapon charge and the arrest confrontation charges are legally independent. Dismissal of one does not affect the other. Third, Florida's Contraband Forfeiture Act creates a civil proceeding that survives any criminal case outcome, and a third-party vehicle owner holds independent standing to contest forfeiture. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.